Hello everyone, my name is Nathan and I am one of the video producers here on board the Coral Princess. Tonight it is formal night. It is an exciting time here. We've got so much going on. We've got Stanley the Bear, we've also got photographers taking your photos at Deck 6 and at Deck 5. And we also have a ton of other opportunities. All of this is captured for you on your Reflections DVD, highlighting your cruise here with us. That's a lot of excitement and stored for you guys here. We hope to see you there. Hi guys, my name is Nathan, and today we are screening the Glacier Bay experience. We captured so much footage for you guys for our documentary highlighting the Glacier Bay. We got to capture glaciers, we got to capture ice calvings, we also got to capture some exclusive wildlife. It was such an amazing time, and we want you guys to come on down and join us. Come on down and watch the Glacier Bay experience. We hope to see you there. Hello everyone, my name is Nathan and I am one of your videographers here on the Star Princess. I would like to invite you to come on by and watch the reflection screening of Best of South America. It's going to be exciting. Check your Princess Patter for time and locations. We hope to see you there.
Good day everyone, my name is Hoffman and I'm your photo gallery manager on board the Star Princess. We're here to let you know about amazing GoPro rental program we have on board our ship. Now is your chance to get hands-on with the most versatile capture device on the planet. Our GoPro rental program allows you to have fun capturing unforgettable memories of your holiday for a full 24 hours. It's only $30 per day, including complimentary 32GB memory card. So you can take those memories home with you. After your rental, we'll give you $30 off with the latest GoPro camera model when you decide to purchase one. Remember, only limited rentals are available each day, so be sure stop by the Photo Gallery Deck 7 app. We can't wait to see you there.
Deep in the heart of Alaska lies a place of astonishing beauty. A place with dynamic glaciers and wild coastlines. A place you'll never forget for as long as you live. And that place is Tracy Arm. Our Reflections video team is here to tell the story of your experience here in this magnificent place. The Reflections Ultimate Alaska Package. Order yours today in the Photo Video Gallery.
Hello, my name is Nathan. I am one of your onboard video producers, and you are watching Reflections on Channel 50.
What's the best way to take home the beauty of Alaska? It can be found right here on board with our Alaska metal prints. It's now more affordable than ever to display the wilderness of Alaska at home with photos taken by local Alaskan photographers. We print the pictures from wide catalogs of images here on board. Or, if you order one of our larger images, we can ship it to your home hassle-free. Stop by the Photo Video Gallery located on Deck 7 aft to bring home Alaska today. Do you want a family photo that's new? Do you want to take something home that's completely different? Then turn your portrait into a metal print. We transform our portraits of you into gorgeous metal prints. Whether you want it propped upright or hanging on your wall at home, these prints are built to last. And best of all, They're printed right here on board, ready to take home. Stop by the photo video gallery located on Deck 7 aft to take a new family photo today.
Hello, my name is Nathan.
And my name is Haley.
And we are your onboard video producers here on the Star Princess.
Over the next week, we will have the opportunity of a lifetime.
From fascinating local legends to breathtaking sceneries, we are here to capture the magic and the spirit of your cruise.
The magic of Alaska.
There's only one souvenir that really captures the essence of why you are here.
A souvenir that allows you to relive those memories again and again and again.
And that souvenir is the Reflections DVD. Embark on a fascinating journey and immerse yourself in the culture and the wilderness of Alaska.
The Reflections destination experience includes incredible destination highlights narrated by tour guides, locals, and historians.
From day one, as we set sail from Seattle, we capture exclusive behind-the-scenes footage and time-honored traditions with commentary from a compelling cast of shipboard characters.
With the Onboard Experience DVD, you can relive these unforgettable moments here on board the Star Princess. This is your cruise.
These are your memories.
This is your once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Take it home forever and relive those memories time and time again with the Reflections DVD.